Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm at again back with Meesho haul, and this time also I've got necklaces from Meesho, and you guys gave a lot of love for my previous video, so I thought like let me make one more video for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this video as much as I do. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. This is how the first necklace looks like. I mean, just look at the shine of it. It looks so premium, guys. And this is how it looks like. I really like the design of this particular neck piece, and they have also given a earrings for this. Let me show you guys. This is how the earrings looks like. Again, earrings also looks really pretty. It's quite small, but I really liked it. And let me tell you the price of this particular product. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1307 rupees. After discount I got it for 1306 rupees. I don't say it's very affordable, but the quality of this necklace is really nice. It looks really premium. You can definitely wear this to functions. It looks really nice. You can pair this with some nice sari. Pair this necklace with green color sari. Since they have given this pastel green color, it goes well with that color. I really like this one, guys. I would highly recommend this particular necklace to you guys. If you like it, definitely go for it. The quality of this necklace is really nice, and the stone quality looks really premium. It's a thumbs up from my end. Let's move on to the next one. Right, the next neck piece which I'm gonna show you guys, I received in this packaging. They have not given any box for this. Let me open it and show you guys. This one is like a kundan set. This is how the next neck piece looks like. It's such a pretty neck piece, guys, and it's quite affordable, and at this price I think this quality is really nice, and you can definitely pair this with ethnic wear dresses. It looks really nice, and yeah, this is how it looks like. They have also given a earrings for this, and it's nice, guys. I mean, for this price I think it's quite affordable, and it looks really nice. And let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 234 rupees. I think it's quite affordable. If you like it, you can go for it. I will put all the product links in the description box. Let's move on to the next one. The next neck piece also I got it in this cover. They have not given any box, which is not a good thing because the products might break inside, right? And let me show you this product. So this is how it looks like. I got it in green color. You guys know by now that I like green color in general. So this is how it looks like. This particular neck piece looks really nice, and it doesn't look cheap at all. And the price of this particular neck piece is very reasonable. I'll just tell you the price of it. Alright, the price of this particular neck piece is 223 rupees. Although I did not get any discount on this, I think this is quite affordable. If you like it, definitely go for it. For this price, I think it looks really good. I mean, it doesn't look cheap at all. The stone quality, everything looks good. If you're looking for an affordable neck piece, you can definitely go for it. It doesn't look cheap at all, and you get it for 223 rupees. That's really affordable. If you like it, go for it. I will anyway provide the links in the description box. Let's move on to the next one. So last night I was shooting this video and it was very late. I thought like let me do it next day. So let's continue with this video with the next product, and the next product I received in this packaging. How the next product looks like. It's such a pretty piece. Again, it looks very beautiful, guys, and the stone quality, everything looks really nice. And they have given like a black color stone for this. This is how it looks like, and side by side I'll put a try on video as well, so you guys can see like how it looks like. This is how the earrings looks like. I really like the earrings. It goes really well with the neck piece. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 334 rupees. They have in three colors, you can see here. They have it in red and blue color as well. If you like it, you can go for it. I will anyway provide the links in the description box. So having said that, let's move on to the next one. So the next neck piece which I'm gonna show you guys, it really blew my mind because the quality of this neck piece is top notch, guys. I would 100% recommend this particular neck piece to you guys. Before that, I'll show you the product, and this is from the brand Lady Mania. I've told you a lot of times, Lady Mania products are really nice. Their quality of product is really good. And the first neck piece which I showed you guys, that is also from Lady Mania brand. This is how the neck piece looks like. I mean, just look at it, guys, how beautiful it is. I think camera is not making a justice for this particular neck piece. In front, it looks really beautiful, guys, and it has all the colors. It goes with all the outfits. You can also wear this on a bride. I mean, bride can also wear this because it's such a huge neck piece, but it's quite lightweight. It's not heavy at all. You feel very light wearing this neck piece. Very beautiful, guys. I mean, go for it if you like this particular neck piece. Let me show you the earrings for this. This is how the earrings looks like. I mean, such a beautiful neck piece. Again, the earrings also looks very beautiful. They've also given a mang tikka for this. As I told you guys, you can wear this to functions, and even bride can wear this because it's such a beautiful neck piece. And this is how the mang tikka looks like. Before it goes out of stock, I'm telling you guys, go and grab this product because it's very beautiful, guys, and the quality is also very premium. Alright, the price of this particular jewelry is 1383 rupees. I think it's very affordable, guys, because the quality of this jewelry is really nice. I would 100% recommend this particular jewelry to you guys. If you like it, go for it. Before it goes out of stock, you should buy this product, guys. And they have it in other 4 colors also. They have it in green, blue and white color stone. If you like this, please go and buy these products right away because it will go out of stock, because this kind of quality you will not get it at this price, I'm very sure. This is how the next neck piece looks like. Again, this neck piece looks really luxe. If you like this product, go for it because the quality is really nice, and the stone quality, I'll just show you guys. Just look at this shine. Very beautiful piece, guys. I don't have to tell you guys again and again. This is how the earrings looks like. Again, earrings quality is really nice. It goes well with the neck piece. And let me show you the mang tikka. Mang tikka is very simple, and this is how it looks like. Very beautiful neck piece, guys. Please go ahead and buy this products if you like it. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 1281 rupees. It's a very affordable neck piece, guys. If you like it, go for it. You can also wear this to functions or any small functions. Definitely you can wear it. I think even a bride also can wear this particular neck piece. It looks really beautiful because they have given a earrings and mang tikka, everything. So it's a set. So if you like it, go for it. I will anyway put the product links in the description box. You don't have to worry. So, and the last product of this haul is also from a Lady Mania brand. Let me show you guys. This is how the next neck piece looks like. I mean, look at it, guys. Very simple, but it looks very elegant. I really like the style of this. It looks very different. And this stone quality, you can see the shine is really good. It doesn't look cheap at all, guys. It's a very beautiful neck piece. And let me show you the earrings for this. This is how the earrings looks like. Again, earrings quality is really nice. It goes well with the neck piece. Let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular neck piece is 799 rupees, and the quality you guys have already seen in the video. It's a very beautiful neck piece, guys. If you like it, go for it before it goes out of stock. And let me see if they have in different colors. Yes, they have it in different colors, guys. If you like it, go for it. I'm telling you guys, before it goes out of stock. I will anyway provide all the product links in the description box. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye-bye.